Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be starting with the new series from Hacker Rank website. So I'll be going through the Project Euler problems. So this is the first problems, which is multiples of 3 and 5. Let us go through the problem statement. So we are given with the input n, okay, and we have to find out the sum of multiple of 3 and or 5, okay, between 1 to n minus 1. Okay, so let us try to understand the statement using some examples. So if here n is equal to 10, then multiples of 3 from 1 to 9 are so 3, 6 and 9, and multiple of 5 is only 5. We should not consider 10 because the statement says below n, which is n minus 1. But if we are given with n is equal to 11, then we have to consider 5 plus 10 as well. So if we add up everything, we get the answer as 33. Let us consider some bigger example. Uh, n is equal to 16. Here the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, and multiples of 5 are 5, 10 and 15. So if you observe here, there is the 15 number is coming 2 times, right? But we have to add up if it is a number is a multiple of 3 or 5. Okay, so we should not consider 2 times. We should consider only 1 time. Okay, that's why we should I'm just striking out this one so that the answer will become 60, not 75. Just remember this point. Okay, now let us try to understand the logic. Let us try to build the logic. For the logic, we'll consider n is equal to 31, and now we will list down all the numbers from 1 to 30, which are the multiples of 3 or multiples of 5. These are the numbers. Okay. And now we'll try to divide this into 3 different groups. The first group is nothing but those numbers which are the multiples of 3, and second group is consists of those numbers which are the multiples of 5. And if you observe, we have these common numbers, right? So we should not have that when you add everything, because we need to subtract this also, right? So for that we'll create one more group, third group, which is nothing but the multiples of 3 into 5, which is 15. So if you observe this, only multiples of 15 are appearing 2 times. So now I think you know this questions, right? We just have to add these first 2 groups and subtract with the third group. Okay, then you'll have a final answer. Okay, so let us try to build the equations. So this is just nothing but which I said just now. So just adding the first 2 groups and subtracting with the third group, and trying to simplify this. 3 into 1 plus 2 plus till 10, and 5 into 1 plus till 6, and 15 into 1 plus 2. So if you observe this, these are nothing but the sum of n natural numbers, this and this. So but what is this 10, what is this 6, and what is this 2? Okay, this is nothing but the quotient which you get when you divide this 31 by 3 and 31 by 5 and 31 by 15. Okay, so 31 divided by 3, you get 10 point something, right? So 10 is a quotient there, so we are just considering that 10 here. And if you divide 31 by 5, you get 6 as a integer. When you do integer division, same thing here also, you get 2. Okay, so now you know like how we got this, right? So now also you know like sum of n natural numbers nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, that is what I'm doing it over here. Okay, this is your final equation which we'll be going to design as a code. Okay, let us try to design the code, Python code for this. So we have seen the logic from the previous slide that this is the equation which we need to use. So sum of n natural numbers is nothing but we can create a function for that, right? So that's why I'm creating this function sum of n natural numbers n, and nothing which is returning nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And this actually, when you create a function, you can have a meaningful name, but also you can create one more function just to call this function. Like I'm just doing sum of n is equal to this. Okay, so it's up to you. You can also create this sum of n directly here. You can just update it here, sum of n, but it's how you design it is up to you. Okay. Then I'm calling this function because it's nothing but the same of this alias of this function. That's all. Now let us, I'm just reading the total test cases, and after that I'm just looking through all the test cases, and for every test case I'm reading this n is equal to what is the n value, and then I'm subtracting with the 1 because we need to consider number less than 1, right? For 31 we are considered till 30 only. That's why I'm doing this n is equal to n minus 1. And then I'm just trying to do the same thing, 3 into sum of that 10 is nothing but it's a quotient which we get from that dividing by 3, and same thing I'm doing here also, n integer division 5 and n integer division 15. Okay, I'm just here, you get the answer here. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.